Nature is breathtaking. With exactly the right conditions, it can create some of the wildest weather that looks straight out of sci-fi. In this list, we'll be showing you 5 of the weirdest weather occurrences. We would like to give a big shout out to viewer Shares Not Dead for suggesting this video. Number 5. Non-aqueous rain. For centuries there have been stories of raining animals, quite literally fish falling from the sky. Now although extremely rare, this is a real thing. In Honduras there is a yearly weather occurrence called lluvia de peces where fish fall from the sky. Some believe this to be a blessing from God providing food for the poor. Although no one knows exactly how it occurs, the most common explanation is that water sprouts, which are basically tornadoes on water, vacuum up the fish from the sea and throw them on land. Other explanations are that the fish never actually fall from the sky, instead they are washed up on land from heavy rainfall. Number 4. Firenado. This rare extreme weather occurrence is basically a tornado made from fire. As if tornadoes weren't scary and deadly enough, nature is always going that one bit further. These hell tornadoes occur when trees, a hillside or flames force air to shift against competing air temperatures and speeds. While some die out pretty quickly, others can travel and keep getting worse if the heat is able to stay afloat. One of the deadliest examples of a firenado happened in 1923 in Japan, in the aftermath of a massive 7.9 earthquake. Survivors of the disaster gathered together in an open space, but a massive firenado occurred and swept through, killing thousands. Number 3. Brinicle. This weather occurrence is amazing to look at, but extremely dangerous if you were to touch it. The brinicle is caused by cold sinking brine. This happens when heat flows from the warmer sea up to the cold air, forming new ice from the bottom. Since the brine water is more dense and colder than the rest of the seawater surrounding it, it sinks and freezes, creating this amazing spectacle. When a brinicle hits the seabed, it leaves a deadly web of ice that freezes anything that it comes into contact with, including sea urchins and starfish. Number 2. Mammatus clouds. Amazing to look at, very rare and completely unexplained. It looks like hundreds of white balloons floating in the sky, and if I didn't know any better, I would assume it was photoshopped. Scientists don't know how they form but have several theories. It could be due to a cooling of a part of a cloud which causes it to drop down, an unstable cloud where cloudy air doesn't mix fully with the dry air, or possibly gravity waves which move part of the cloud away. Number 1. Roll clouds. If you saw one of these roll clouds in the distance, you'd probably get up and run. It does look like a giant tsunami about to consume the land. However, what you should do is pull out your camera and take pictures, as these clouds are probably one of the coolest looking weather occurrences. They are usually formed by cold wet air flowing out of sea breezes or cold fronts, and they seem to rotate around a horizontal axis. If you like to see one in real life, they regularly appear around October in Queensland, Australia, thanks to the sea breezes that develop over the Cape York Peninsula. Thank you for watching, and if you have a video idea, why not leave a comment below, and if we make it, we'll give you a big shout out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome daily lists of all things 5. This is All 5, and until next time, feed your mind.